On today's Bear Experience, we're exploring Old Oakland's Victorian Row. We'll find out how a local sausage factory staple became the top dog in Northern California meats. We are also talking to two talented artists whose vision to change the landscape is paving the way for a better outlook in today's society. All on today's Bay Area Experience. So we're walking in Old Oakland right now, and this is one of the most renovated areas in Oakland compared to some of the other places. This part of the city was originally part of the Intercontinental Railroad that used to come through, and they renovated it after that. So this has been, since the 70s and 80s, been a big part of Oakland. Revitalization has seen a lot of new businesses come here. They have a lot of different places that you can go now to this area that was not here before. Still pretty solid, pretty consistent as far as the businesses are concerned. So one of the places that is the most busy and most consistent as far as foot traffic is concerned is the Swan Market in downtown Old Oakland area. And there's new businesses, there's restaurants that have come and gone. There's a couple places that have been consistent and stayed here. So we're inside Swan's Market, and this is one of the businesses here, La Cocina. And Las Carreras is part of La Cocina, I believe. But this is one of the places here. And we have continuing all the way over here. You see all the different businesses that are inside. Our next stop is Taylor's Sausage, which has been a local staple for decades. But what puts them over the top was when the San Francisco Chronicle voted them the best handmade sausage business in the Bay Area in 2012. Since then, there are people from all over Northern California that come here to purchase their products. Okay, we have Ray here with Taylor's Sausage, and Ray's going to tell us a little bit about his business. So Ray, how long have you been in business?
I've been in business at this spot for 26 years. And we've been making sausage in-house for the local 26 plus years.
Wow.
Work for West Oakland. And everybody needs sausage, they come to local Taylor Sausage.
There you go. What made you start the business?
Oh, I feel like it's something special.
Okay.
People would like homemade instead of packages.
There you go. There you go.
So you don't have to buy a whole lot. You
Yeah.
can buy one or you can buy 20. So that's the good thing about us is we cater to a lot of single people,
There you go.
you know,
Yeah.
and they like it. Our stuff is always fresh made,
All right.
no nitrate.
That's why I love coming here, by the way.
Yeah.
What is it having a business in Oakland like for you?
Just be yourself and give the neighborhood good product.
There you go.
Just be yourself, you know. If you're a kind person, they will know that. If you are a nasty person, they will notice that too.
There you go.
And, you know, service is everything. You know, and just be patient. Listen to what the customer wants. And if I have it, I sell it.
Sir?
Thank you, sir.
All right.
And
And
Happy New Year and be safe.
all right.
Peace, peace. What's up, y'all?
All right. What's your name?
Timothy B from Good Air Studios and Bear Mural Program. And currently we here at Planet Fitness working on a large mural.
Okay.
You know, showing love to the community and displaying images of what the Bay looks like,
Okay.
in the realm of fitness.
Yeah. Okay. And then you do other types of projects, not just the fitness related, or is it okay? What other types of projects you got going on?
A lot of my work exists in the realms of, hip hop culture, social justice, uh, Black history,
Yeah.
nature,
Okay.
Afrofuturism.
What other locations do you have?
Man, I got murals all around the world.
All around?
More
Okay.
specifically in my city, I got murals everywhere.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
it's countless.
Uh,
It's,
all right.
yeah.
How long have you been doing this? Like just, from the start, just kind of talk about what inspired you to do this even before you got in business.
Well, I've been in this field for about 11 years. For
Okay.
before I got my start through designing tattoos,
Oh, there you go.
and
Okay.
that drifted into graphic design, and I started selling T-shirts and
Okay.
making T-shirts and stuff like that. Then I used to shoot music videos,
Oh, okay.
and between all of that, that led me into the realm of shooting film,
Mhm.
documenting, marketing, and tattooing.
Okay.
Then once I got over tattooing, I met some friends who showed me uh, the space I'm in now,
Yeah.
murals.
Okay.
Then I
Okay.
started to develop a business mind for the murals through tattooing,
Hmm.
and so I discovered that there was, some paper in this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew I could
You could
I could really
you can
take
make a
advantage
living
of
out
this.
of it.
Yeah, I can make a living,
There you go.
take advantage of the space. So
There you go. What kind of contacts can people get a hold of you? Do you have like social media pages,
people
hooks?
could find me on Timothy B
Okay.
underscore art on Instagram
Okay.
and TikTok.
Okay.
Also, I'm Googleable.
Okay.
You could just Google me
Just
and
Google me.
find me.
Okay.
And
All
I'm
right.
not too difficult to find. Timothy B is the name. Timothy Blewett
Okay.
is the government.
Oh,
So
oh, okay.
yeah,
Okay.
I'm not difficult to find.
So if you guys have any, questions about where to find him, you guys can look in the description and appreciate it. Thanks a lot, Timothy.
Good, man.
All right,
Yeah,
man.
appreciate you.
All right. Okay, man. What's your name?
My name is Andre Jamora, aka Natty Rebel.
All right. All right. And you're part of the Mural project as well with
Correct.
Timothy?
Yep.
Okay.
That I am.
And what made you start the project with Timothy?
So I'm the executive director of the Bay Area Mural Program, and we
Okay.
facilitate large public facing artwork,
Okay.
all throughout the Bay Area, doing
Okay.
murals from here to San Francisco, Vallejo, San Jose. So
Nice.
Timothy, we've been working with Timothy for over like 7 years now.
Oh, okay.
With the Bay Area Mural Program. So
Okay.
he's one of our lead artists. He has a career of his own that is like flourished, and he's doing amazing work. But every now and then we collaborate on projects, and Planet Fitness reached out to him.
Mm-hmm.
We had painted this Planet Fitness with the Bay Area Mural Program. I think this is our third time painting it, so 2 times about a year
Okay.
ago. So basically we teamed up to do it again when Planet Fitness moved in.
Okay. And then what other businesses have you guys done some work on besides Planet
Oh man, so the YMCA,
YMCA.
Tim and Rachel Wolf painted the YMCA downtown with the Steph Curry reading to the children.
Fitness? Oh, okay. That was you guys did that one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
We actually have a mural tour that goes downtown,
Okay.
downtown Oakland from
Okay.
what is that? From the YMCA all the way
Yep.
to the Tribune Tower.
Okay. Yeah. That's
So all
what.
the murals along that strip, we
Okay.
we commissioned. We did one for All Star Weekend. That's right there on Broadway and I think 23rd, right across from the Kapoor Center.
All right. And then what other locations are you guys doing besides the Bay Area?
Let's see. We went out to Standing Rock, North Dakota, when they were
Okay.
doing the protest against the pipeline in Standing Rock, and we did a mural out there.
Okay.
I've done murals throughout Africa. Tim has done murals
Oh,
throughout
that's
Africa.
cool.
I have a few murals in the Caribbean, Jamaica.
Nigeria.
Never been to West Africa. All my murals are in East Africa.
Oh,
So I have
okay,
murals
okay.
in Ethiopia,
Okay. There you
Tanzania,
go.
and just recently did one in Kenya.
Okay. Oh man.
Yeah.
Okay. So you guys are, all over the world. Right?
Yeah, wherever the diaspora is.
Okay.
Yeah.
There you go. All right. And then where can people find you? Do you have
Yeah, so you
social
can find
media?
me at Natty Rebel Art
Okay.
on Instagram, YouTube, and then the
Got
Bay Area
TikTok
Mural
or-
Program, BAMP Art.
Okay. Okay. So do you guys have TikTok, Facebook, and all that stuff, or
No,
just
we have a
IG?
TikTok, but we're not not active on it.
Okay.
He's most active on Instagram.
So Instagram, yeah. Okay. All right. Well, we'll have your information on the screen. If you guys look on the screen, you'll see that also in the descriptions down below. So I
Should be, like,
appreciate.
somewhere right in here.
Yeah, exactly. There you go. I appreciate your time, brother.
Cool. Appreciate you.
All right, man.
All right.
All
Have a
right.
good one.
All right. All right, guys, that's the end of the video today. We have for Oakland. Be sure to like and subscribe. And all the information from the businesses that we visited today will be in the description. So go ahead and check that out. We hope to see you on the next one.